Assalamualaikum everyone. This video is summary of our product that we invented, which is the D24 opener. My name is Siti Kamila. I will briefly give an introduction about our product. Our product name for commercialize is D24 opener, or it can be called as durian opener. Why we invent in this product or the objective of the durian opener? The first one is peeling durian is not an easy process for someone who usually not used to it. It requires a lot of force and skill to open it. Number two, the durian's texture is thorn type, which might cause an injury to the user during the opening process. Number three, to upgrade the productivity of the peeling the durian in large amount is suitable for hawkers to reduce the operating time opening the durian. Number four, for the ergonomics factor, this is important to increase the safety, comfort, and performance of durian opener. Here is our product design. This D24 opener can fulfill all your needs. Forget about doing it manually that can cause all the difficulties. This D24 opener product designed to solve all the problem during opening the durian. It is easy to use, effortless, and safe.
I am Muhammad Faizil Hafiz bin Muhammad Zan. Okay, so today I will show my slide, which is design product. So for this design product, we made it for the durian pillar, which we know that all people in Malaysia love eat durian. So we want to ease them to cut durian. So we made durian pillar. Okay, and then this durian pillar we make it a great ergonomics and very easy to use because we have decreased the time to open the durian. Because sometimes people use knife, it's very dangerous, dangerous because when you use knife, they can make bleeding. So with this machine, we can avoid our accident when we want to open the durian. So for the next slide, I will show the product ergonomics. So for the product ergonomics, in this picture we can see that we got a good score for this product because we did not use a very large force in our body. So and we can see that from the mannequin in this picture, it is very clear, and we can see that we have a very good ergonomic and make this product for the long lasting. And this product will avoid people from their health to become any injured or make it become more extremely dangerous, and we have avoided it. So we can see in this picture we got a very good score, which is 6. So this score with this 6 amount of 6 is very good for the ergonomics. So that's it from me, and thank you very much.
I am Ain Shuhada. I would like to present about advantage of D24 opener. There are three advantages of D24 opener. The first one is less effort needed. D24 opener mostly using mechanical system, which is semi-automatic mechanism and some of electronic components. So by using this method, we reduce the usage of physical energy while opening the durian. Besides that, it's suitable to anybody that lacks the technique to peel the durian, especially for women and young people. The second advantage is reduce risk of hand injury. Basically, people using conventional method to open the durian, such as chopper and knife, this might cause a high risk of hand injury. By using D24 opener, the tool cutter will stretch the durian skin into 4 parts without using knife or chopper. This method will reduce the hand injury. Third advantage is save time. D24 opener can save time because it is semi-automatic machine that use electronic component to operate it, which is better than manual machine and conventional method. This is because by using this method, it will save the time for durian seller when peeling a durian. while entertain the customer due to high demand.
Okay, today I will present about the manufacturing process of D24 opener. There are three manufacturing process. First, CNC laser cutting. This process is used to make part A and part B, which require to use a material that is only few inches. This process will form a rectangle shape for the part with a clean edge. Second is the fabrication process. There are two types of fabrication. First is bending. It is forming machine tool or press brake. It can be used to make a bent part on a workpiece. Bending is being used for part A and part B, as the workpiece is flat sheet metal that has already performed laser cutting. The sheet metal will be bent and making it as a hollow rectangular shape. Then the second fabrication is grinding. The function is for producing fine finishes or making light cuts on metal. The grinding process will be used for the finishing part. It is used mostly in every part of the product to avoid sharp edge and make a smooth, fine finishing. Lastly is the joining process. We use welding as the joining process. Welding process is used to assemble all the parts D24 opener. All the part has been mentioned on diagram is being welded. Part B will be united with part C by welding it on the below part of it vertically.
Good afternoon, Doctor and my dear friends. For the conclusion, the strength of our product is partially automated. It is involved in a mechanical actuation and electrical concept, so the user does not need to use traditional method anymore, because traditional methods such as knives and so on will cause injuries to them. The second is our product does not bloom to market yet, because this is really a new idea for the customer to purchase and use this D24 durian peeler. And it can also attach and detach easily. So whenever the customer needs to clean the durian slices and so on, we can easily attach and detach our durian peeler. It's really easily operated, and our durian peeler is environment friendly. Based on we carried out some environmental analysis such as LCT, eco indicator, eco web design, and DFE, DFMA, and so on. Our further recommendation on this durian peeler is that upgrade further method of use durian peeler to put compressor system. So this to because to increase the force of peeling durian and to minimize the current consumption. Second, upgrade efficiency on energy consumption. Third, upgrade further to put build system instead of we carry the durian peeler from one position to another. So they does not need to lift the durian peeler anymore because of the build system is provided. So consider cheaper material which is stronger, harder and long lasting after doing some several material selections and process selections. Theory and practical must have same level to run the fabrication and achieve the objective. Commercialization potential of this durian pillar. So first, high in durability which provide longer lifetime of the product. We use 70% of the materials which is stainless steel, which provides a longer lifetime of the product. So second, the cost for commercialize for this project is reasonable, which is 266, and we gain profit around RN 35 ringgit for each unit. For third, the durian pillar is easily transported or moved. This considering on the weight is not too heavy, which an adult person can lift. For the overall conclusion, make design and analyze before fabricate. So this to make sure there is no problem occurred in development field later on. Design factor, material used, process selected, durability, aesthetic value in consideration, because these all aspects should satisfy customer requirement. Teamwork and spirit goal is important because to complete the project in real next semester. Thank you.